Kids! Click here to subscribe!
Bottle time was so fine, but I'm a big kid, so I don't need mine. I'm eating food that I need to chew, and I have special tools that I need to use. I am done with my bottle. Now I use a bowl and plate. I can eat with a fork and spoon. Being a big kid feels so bottle time was so fine, but I'm a big kid, so I don't need my high chair. Has a tray, a place to eat, and I have special tools that I need to use. I am done with my bottle. When I'm eating, now I use a bowl and plate. I am done with my bottle. Now I use being a big kid is so great. I can eat with a fork and spoon. Being a big kid feels so great. My high chair has a tray, a place to eat and not to play. I sit safely, strapped in there. When I'm eating, I should stay in my chair. I am done with my bottle. Now I use a bowl and plate. Mom and Dad, I can eat with a fork and veggies. Being a big kid feels so great. I don't know how to hold my fork, so they hold theirs and show me just how it works. I am done with my bottle. Now I use a bowl and plate. I can eat with a fork and spoon. Being a big kid feels so Mom and Dad cook my food. Veggies and noodles are so soft and I'm eating. I don't know how to hold my fork, so they hold theirs and show me just how it works. I am done with my bottle. Now I use a bowl and plate. I am done with my bottle. Now I use a bowl and plate. So great. I can eat with a fork and spoon. Being a big kid feels so great. And doing my I am done with my bottle. Now I use a bowl and plate. I help clean my tray. I can eat with a fork and spoon. Every day. I am done with my bottle. Now I use a bowl and plate. I can eat with a fork and spoon. Being a big kid feels so great. I am done with my bottle. Now I use a bowl and plate. I can eat with a fork and spoon. Being a big kid feels so great.
The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one. The little one stops to suck his thumb, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. The ants go marching two by two, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah. To tie his shoe, and they all go marching one by one. The little one stops to suck his thumb, and they all go marching down. The ants go marching three by three, hurrah, of the rain, hurrah. The ants go marching three by three, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching go marching 2 by 2, hurrah, to climb a tree, and they all the ants go marching 2 by 2. The little one stops to tie his shoe, and they all go marching down. The ants go marching 4 by 4, hurrah, the rain, hurrah. The ants go marching 4 by 4, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 4 by 3 by 3, one stops to shut the door, and they all the ants go marching 3 by 3. The little one stops to climb a tree, and they all go marching down. The ants go marching 5 by 5, hurrah, the rain, hurrah. The ants go marching 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 5 by 5, by 4, hurrah, to take a dive, and they all the ants go marching 4 by 4. The little one stops to shut the door, and they all go marching down. The ants go marching 6 by 6, hurrah, the rain, hurrah. The ants go marching 6 by 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 6 by 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. And they all the ants go marching 5 by 5. The little one stops to take a dive, and they all go marching down. The ants go marching 7 by 7, hurrah, the rain, hurrah. The ants go marching 7 by 7, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 7 by 7 by 6, hurrah, hurrah. They all the